This video will look at the Modify Item Detail Wizard. Go to the menu, click on Wizards and Sim Wizards. Under Modify Item Detail Wizard, there are a number of options. Click Search and select Items option. Here you can filter down the products you want to make adjustments to. Click Select All. Click Edit Items. At this point, you can make adjustments to any of the columns being shown. In the Department and Category column, click Modify All. Select the department and category where you want to move all products to. Click Apply. Any changes made are highlighted in a light blue colour. You may make changes to other data if you need to by clicking in any text field. Click Save Grid Changes when you are happy with the changes that you've made. You can choose any of the three options at the bottom of the page, depending on what you want. Click Commit Your Changes to save what you have done.